Okay, now we see the second example sum. This is a reciprocal equation of odd degree and different sign. Look at the coefficient of x power 5, that is plus 2, and the last term is minus 2, and the coefficient of x power 4 is minus 15, coefficient of x is plus 15, coefficient of x cube is plus 37, coefficient of x square is minus 37. Therefore, the degree of the equation is odd and the signs of the first coefficient and last coefficients are opposite. Therefore, x equal to 1 is a root. First derive, this is a reciprocal equation. The degree of the equation is odd and the signs of the first coefficient and the last coefficient are opposite. Therefore, x equal to 1 is a root. I know the one root of the equation. Now I am going to find the remaining of 4. Because it is a fifth degree equation, it must have 5 solutions. One root only I know. I am going to find the remaining 4. Using the synthetic division, I can find the another equation. First write the coefficient of x power 5, that is plus 2. I write first here. Coefficient of x power 4 is minus 15. Coefficient of x cube is 37. Coefficient of x square is minus 37. Coefficient of x is 15. Constant term is minus 2. Write the coefficient first. I know that x equal to 1 is a root. Therefore, 1 I write in the first place. In the second row, first I have to write 0. In every problem, I should write 0 in the first element. Now, adding that 2 plus 0, 2. I am adding 2 plus 0, which is equal to 2. 1, 2s are 2. Now, adding that minus 15 plus 2 is minus 13. Now, multiply 1 into minus 13, that is minus 13. Now, adding that 37 minus 13 is, I am going to subtract 7 minus 3, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. Now multiply 1 into 24 is 24. Minus 37 plus 24 I am going to add. Both are opposite sign. Therefore I am going to subtract and put the greatest symbol sign. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Greatest symbol sign is minus. Therefore minus 13. Again 1 into minus 13 is minus 13. 15 minus 13 is 2. 1 2s are 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 0 is the remainder. Therefore, x equal to 1 is correct. Next, write the quotient. Quotient is, it is a fifth degree equation. Already we found one root. Therefore, start from x power 4. 2x power 4. Next, this is x cube, x square, x and constant term. Minus 13x cube plus 24x square minus 13x plus 2 equal to 0. Look at the equation. This is also a reciprocal equation because here plus 2 and minus 2. Here minus 13 and plus 13. Middle term is left over. Therefore, this is a reciprocal equation of degree 4. If it is a degree 4, we have to divide this equation by x square. Divide each term by x square. 2x power 4 by x square, we get 2x square. Minus 13x cube by x square, minus 13x. 24x square by x square, I get 24. Minus 13x by x square, minus 13 by x. 2 by x square is 2 by x square. Grouping the first and last term and second and previous of the last one. Taking 2 outside because 2x square plus 2 by x square, 2 is common. Taking 2 outside, we get x square plus 1 by x square. Here minus 13 is common. In the minus 13x minus 13 by x, minus 13 is common. X plus 1 by x plus 24 equal to 0. Already we know the substitution. Put x plus 1 by x equal to t and x square plus 1 by x square equal to t square minus 2 in the equation. X plus 1 by x equal to t and x square plus 1 by x square equal to t square minus 2. Okay, now 2 into x square plus 1 by x square is t square minus 2. T square minus 2. Minus 13, x plus 1 by x is t plus 24 equal to 0. Now 2 into t square, 2t square, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus 13t plus 24 equal to 0. Write the highest power of t. First 2t square. Only 113t. Only 1t. Therefore, I write in the middle. Minus 4 and plus 24 both are like term. 24 minus 4 is plus 20. This is a quadratic in t. I am writing the quadratic once again. 2t square minus 30t plus 20 equal to 0. I am going to factorize this quadratic equation. Here coefficient of t square is 2. Coefficient of t is minus 13. Constant term is 20. We can solve t by factorization method. Multiply 2 into 20, that is 40. That you write in the rough column. When you multiply the two term, you should get plus 40. When you adding the two term, you will get minus 13. Minus 13 is nothing but the middle term of the equation, that is coefficient of t. What are the two numbers? Minus 8 and minus 5. Adding the number minus 8 minus 15, we get minus 13. Multiplying the number minus into minus plus 8 5s are 40. In this equation, coefficient of t square is 2, therefore divided by 2. Cancel by 2 table, I get minus 4. 5 minus 5 by 2, I cannot cancel, therefore leave it as it is. The denominator is 1. In the denominator, you multiply by t, you get t minus 4 is one of the factor. Next 2t minus 5 is the second factor. Therefore, first factor is t minus 4. Second factor is 2t minus 5 equal to 0. Equating both factor to 0, that is t minus 4 equal to 0, we get t equal to 4. 2t minus 5 equal to 0, we get 5 by 2 as the value of t. We know what is t? T is nothing but x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x equal to 4. This is one of the equation. Next, x plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2. This is the another value. Taking LCM of 1 and x is x. X square plus 1 equal to 4. Right? 4 by 1. Cross multiply. X square plus 1 equal to 4x. Bring all the term to left hand side. We get x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. We cannot factorize this quadratic equation. We apply the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is a equal to 1. That is coefficient of x square is 1. Therefore, I write a equal to 1. B equal to coefficient of x, that is minus 4. C equal to constant term. Quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substituting a, b, c value, minus b, already minus 4 is there, it becomes plus 4. B square minus 4 whole square is 16. 4ac, that is 4 into 1 into 1, that is 4. 2a, 2 ones are 2. 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 is not a square number, we split 12 as 4 3s are. Square root of 4 is 2. 4 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 2. Because root 3 we don't have value, therefore write root 3 as it is. Taking 2 common in the numerator, 2 into 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2. Cancelling 2, we get 2 plus or minus root 3. Therefore, we are getting 2 value. Next, we solve x plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2. Taking LCM, x is the LCM, we get x square plus 1 equal to 5 by 2. Cross multiply. 2x square, 2 ones are 2 equal to 5x. Bring all that to left hand side. 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. We can factorize by factorization method. Same method, multiply 2 into 2, that is 4. When you multiply, you will get 4. When you multiply the 2 term, you should get 4. Adding that, you will get minus 5. What are the number? Minus 4 and minus 1. Multiply that minus 4 into minus 1, you get plus 4. Minus 4 minus 1, minus 5. Here coefficient of x square is 2, therefore write 2 in the denominator. We cancel by 2 table, this is 1 time, this is 2 time. Therefore, multiply x in the denominator, you get x minus 2 Another one here, multiply x in the denominator 2t minus 1, that is 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Equating to 0, you will get x equal to 2. 2x minus 1 equal to 0, you will get x equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, it's a given equation is a fifth degree equation. Therefore, solution are, first we find x equal to 1 is a root, that is 1 root. Another is 2 plus or minus root 3. One is 2 plus root 3, another one is 2 minus root 3. Next value 2 comma 1 by 2. It's a fifth degree equation, therefore we are getting 5 roots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.